All right, this is Brendan Appel for Sons of Speed. Today we're going to do the ProClip installation in a 2015 and later Ford Mustang. Here we have a GT, and first thing we're going to do is install the base onto the holder. So ProClip works really cool because you buy the base separately and then you buy the holder for your phone, which you can change out, or you could just use the base if you want. If you want to stick something else on here and just need some place to mount to, you could just use the base. But today we're going to use, this is an iPhone 6 holder, and I don't know if you could tell, they've actually felt lined these now, and it's really nice. In fact, it's nicer than the one I have in my C7. Might have to upgrade. But first thing you're going to do, you have to be able to get to this base. So we're going to take off the actual phone holder. There's a Phillips head screw in there. We're going to take that out. There we go. Okay, so once we have the base off, what we're going to do is put that, this is the base of the holder, put it on the base on the ProClip with the 4 screws that are included. There's 4 little holes there. Just line that up. You'll see it only goes one direction, in this case horizontal. Alright, so once you've lined the holes up, you take the included screws, and then you're just gonna, these are self-tapping, which means they'll dig in there good. I'm gonna just get these started with the smaller screwdriver, and then we'll come back and hit that with the larger one, because they're going to be a little difficult to get in, but that's by design, so they hold really well. Without stripping the screw, you want to try and get that in as closely as you can. So just push really hard on it while you turn, and you should be alright. Just so you know, ProClip advises that you install the base in the car first before putting the screws in, only because if there's some problem with it or it doesn't fit the way you want it to, you can still return the base, but not after you put the screws in, because it won't be new anymore, and so they can't take it back. So we put it in. We know we're keeping this one. We know it fits, but you definitely want to do this installation first. Make sure that it's what you want. Now, the first thing you're going to do is clean your area where your ProClip is going to be installed. This is already pretty clean. We're just going to dust it a little bit. And this particular one is going to go here. It's going to basically connect underneath here. And it's going to either go between, I mean, you could put it over a vent, but that doesn't make much sense. It's probably going to go either here or here. For this installation, I think we're going to put it right here. And what we're going to do is there's a bezel here on the screen, between the screen and the dash, and that's where it goes. Do not put it up against the screen. There's I mean, you could get your fingernail in there, but you'll damage your screen. So it should not be touching the screen. It's going up against, between the bezel and the dash, right where my finger is. So you're just going to slide that there, and it's going to just hook into there. And then to complete the installation, you just basically put your thumb here, and you're going to push until you hear that. Now you're done. Now that's not going to move. I mean, it's on there pretty tight. If you had to take it off, you stick 2 fingers under here and you pull really hard up, it still won't damage anything, but it's not going to come off really easily. Now to put this on, we just put our screwdriver back in there. This screw goes into that nut, and what you're going to do is make sure that there's enough play. So you're going to make it tight, but not so tight that it doesn't move. And you kind of just determine by how much you screw that in, how much play there is. Right now it's very tough to move it, which is good, but it still moves. Take your phone, slide it in, and you're done. So we hope you enjoyed that video of the ProClip installation in the 2015 Plus Ford Mustang. You can buy your own ProClip using the link in our description below. Again, you buy the 2 pieces separately. The base you're going to buy for your car, and then the holder you're going to buy for your phone. And if you get a new phone, you can always change the holder out, and just keep the base in there, and just continue to change out whatever you've got whenever you get a new phone. So that's why it's so nice and versatile. If you like the video though, please subscribe, hit the like button, throw us a comment, let us know what you think, and we'll catch you at the next video.